Yo, it's your boy Will, and I'm back in the video. And today, Will clean with Will for 7 minutes. Let's begin. Good morning to you all. Get yours in. Clean the closer to the game down. I still feel glass on the floor. That's away. It's going to be fun. Whoa! Watch out. This is glass. It's tweaking. You know what? It's not even safe to even be doing this. I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna get glass and it'll have glass come through that thing. That is so dangerous. Yeah, it's better off for you not to step in it, bro. Dang, y'all. Y'all went to sleep without even picking this up. Crazy. just hope I don't get glass under this stuff over here. A lot of people walk around in barefoot, so shoot. That's a lot of glass that's shattered. But I want y'all to be delusional and see the things that other people can see, and see things that you can't even see right now, but you can see that. You can see those things in the future. It's your job to focus on the present and not the past. The past is over with. Focus on the present, present right now. I said present. What the heck? On the present. But yeah, be delusional as much as possible and come up with a plan. Come up with a plan, execute on that thing, and stay in motion. So who's that? If you can be delusional, you can make it to a lot of places, bro. And being delusional you can have so much stuff for being delusional. And if you can believe in yourself that you can do more in this world, you can definitely be somewhere that everybody came to go. For real. So being delusional is key, for real. Be delusional as much as possible. But that's the end of the video. I'm going.